Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again, guys. So welcome back to the channel. So as you see, guys, here the daily candle, what it done here, as you see it. And by the way, in that video, I'm going to show you the halving cycle and all those things. So make sure to watch all the video till the end because there is very highly information in that video, guys. And also we're going to go to the Bitcoin from the daily 4 hours 30 minutes, and we're going to show you a lot of things. So make sure to watch all the video, don't skip any part of the video because there is highly information in that video, guys. So as I told you, as you see daily candle how it's finished, guys, what it's showing you there, let's zoom it a little bit like that. And what you see in here, guys, look with me here. What you see in here, what that candle indicating to you. I'm going to draw it here like that. It give you here a doji like that. What that indicating, guys? It's indicating the beginning of a hangman, guys. Yes or no? How is going to be confirmed? It's need the next candle to come either red like that or green or whatever. That is going to be a hangman. Like that. Should you enter now, guys? Not yet, guys. Not yet. I tell you those things thousands of times. Not yet. Yes, us, we are in a very stronger level or very stronger supply and demand zone, guys. And it might, that one is going to be the accumulation level, guys, where we are now. But should we enter? Not yet, guys. Because look, it doesn't come and break for us that trend line here. Also, we have here that long-term trend. Everything is too clear, guys? And even if you go to the weekly, what you seeing, guys, here in the weekly? What you seeing here in the weekly chart, guys? It's indicating to you that level here, it's very stronger level. And even that candle who came today by that big tail, by the way, that one it's left for it 2 days to finish. So it might tomorrow to go back inside. So it's too early to talk about it. But me, I just came to you to show you that level here. Where you are, guys, that one. And even our indicator is it at the oversold. Majority of indicators, on-chain indicators, technical analysis, oscillators, all of them, they are at the oversold now here and even in the monthly, guys. But me, I'm still not yet, guys. Look, see the 200 moving average. And the people, they be in the Bitcoin for long, and they started from 2014 till now. They know what that simple 200 moving average man to the Bitcoin cycle, guys. That one, it used to be a very stronger support, guys. Every time he used to come to it, and from it used to go. Now it came to it, what's it showing here? Fall down, he came back up, but he couldn't stay above it, then he came down. And here where we are now, us, look with me, very close, guys. Let's change that one from candles to lines, like that. What you seeing, guys? What you seeing here? Look with me. Here a low, a high, and now he tried to give you here another low, guys. Yes or no? Look at it. High. That one here is a high. Another low. Another high. And here he tried to give you another low. Yes, it's still stronger in that zone. But the weekly candle, it hasn't finished it, guys. So should you enter now long? Not yet, guys. Still very early, guys. Let's go back to candles. It's still very early, guys. It's need that one to come to break for us that 200 moving average up. If it doesn't, we are not going to enter, guys. And yes, the Bitcoin is still very stronger, holding down in that level here. Majority of the stocks and people they trade in US stocks, they know those things, guys. They know it very well. Majority of the stocks, they fall down, guys. Let me show you something else for the picture to be more clear to you. By the way, you watching us, are you not yet subscriber? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on. It's very simple and easy. Down below there is a red button, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, and like that you're going to be notified every time us we put in a new video, my friend. Every time we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even do better, join our Telegram channel. The link of our Telegram channel is down in the first comment, my friend. Go to it, and like that you're going to be notified more quicker, guys. You done it? Welcome to the family, guys. Let's see something else, guys. Here, guys, as you seeing what we got here, that one, his name, the VIX. And people they trade in the US stocks, they know those things very well. Or volatility index. What it's indicating to you, guys? Look at it. Is it 29? Is it near to 30, guys? What that meant to you, guys? Big volume happening in the market and a lot of people they selling. Look at the chart. What you seeing, guys? You see it or no? Big volume in the market. Should you buy now, guys? No, of course not. There's big volume. That volume here, it happened like that when the market crashed in 2020, when the virus started, guys. Look where we are now. Those things, they tell you everything, guys. The world is going to a big recession, guys. The SP 500 today, it fell down a record. The US dollar, the DXY, it reached 112. That the max, guys. You want to buy now? Not yet, guys. Let's go back and show you something else more. By the way, did you smash the like button, my friend? Go ahead and do it, please. Help us to growing up more that channel, please. You done it? Thank you very much, my friend. Here, my friend, we got something, and I explained that one before, the halving cycles. But it's okay to repeat it because I know a lot of people, they are new here. So that way also we're repeating those things, guys. Look with me here, very, very, very close. You see those ones? It happened every time, guys. The one, his name, the halving cycle. Every time when it happened, look what happened to the Bitcoin. The halving cycle, that man, let me explain it to you very easy, with very easy example, guys. Let's say you got 1000 Bitcoin in the market, and that 1000 Bitcoin, every cycle of those ones, they are going to take it off the half of it. What's going to happen? The demand is going to be still at his place, but the supply will get lower, guys. Yes or no? When is going to be the next halving cycle, guys? Look down. 2024, guys. Is it the right time for us to buy now? Not yet, guys. Because, be focused with me now. What I'm going to show you here. What you see in here. That's why me I said every time us we are in an accumulation level, guys. It started getting blue here. Yes. For investors, just they say now. Just started they say. Is it become blue like that? Not yet, guys. That's what me I told you. Not yet. It might. It's going to go up, but not yet. That one is still showing. Not yet, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. That's what me I told you. Because me, the Bitcoin have been followed for long, guys, and I make a lot of money from it. Bitcoin in 2023 is going to go higher. 2023, guys. Remember my word. Because the Bitcoin is every time is going up in a single year. Single, that meant 1 single, 3 single, 5 single, not a double. A double year like 22, 24. Remember those things, guys. Very, 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 very well. What me I'm telling you, those things, they cost a lot of money. No one will tell it to you here in YouTube. That's what me I told you, guys. You are in an accumulation level. Started buying, but just they say, guys, don't buy all your money. If you got $1,000, start buying slowly by slowly. You don't know when it's going to be the next move. Everything is too clear, guys. It's going back now to the chart to show you more. What is it there? Here in my chart, guys. Let me show you my chart. What I got me. What I got, guys. Let's zoom it like that and like that. What you seeing, guys? What you seeing here in that chart telling you? Look with me. That white one here, the long-term trend. Also, we've been following that one from 2014, guys. He couldn't stay above it. Look at it. The same thing happening to the weekly, guys. And here, that yellow one, very stronger level. It came to it, that green candle, that one, it couldn't stay above it. It couldn't break it. Then that red candle here couldn't break it, guys. Let's say that one is an inverted hammer, guys. Now, we're going to confirm that is an inverted hammer, guys, to came a red candle next to it here. That is going to tell you the Bitcoin is going to go more lower, guys, to down. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to show you our indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. What did I told you? If you've been with us, let's zoom it to explain those things to you very, 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 very well, guys. What did I told you here? In that zone here. I told you, look at it, what happened here. Is the same thing happening here, guys? Yes or no? It might the same thing to happen to that zone here, as you see it, or the same thing to happen to that zone here, or that zone here. How are we going to know it? If it stay ranging like that, we need to calculate 3 in the top. 1, 2 here, the chart 1, and 2 down, then is going to drop, guys. If that's happening. If it's not, it's going to come and to break for us that last high, which is here, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. You get the picture? Now let's go into show you our other indicator, what it's saying, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our other indicator, guys. What did I told you about it? People, they being with us. Show up yourself. Smash the like button, please. Or write for us a comment. Helping us, guys. Also, we give you very highly information here free. No one will give you that in-depth analysis in the web or in the YouTube here. What did I told you, guys, here and here? I told you got a divergence. Sorry, my drawing is not right. But I told you got a divergence from that zone here and that one here. That's what I told you. And even here. Look here, like that, and like that. Here, you got a divergence, guys. Yes or no? It's very clear now, divergence there. Should you enter, guys? Not yet, guys. Not yet. You need to be worried about your money, guys. There is no one will care about your money more than you. What you got here? The trend line. It needs to come and to break for you the trend line here. If it doesn't break it for you, don't enter, guys. Remember my word. Everything is too clear, guys. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what 4 hours telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. What I told you in the last video, it's still in the channel. I just put it. What did I told you in the 4 hours? Here and here. What did I told you? I told you either it's going to stay here, ranging. If it stay ranging here, you need to calculate in how many times it's touching up and down. Yes or no? It's zoom it for me to explain those things to you very, 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 very well. What did I told you here, guys? I told you like that. You came to that zone like that because both of them, they are very stronger zones. We don't want to go back to the past. And you need to calculate in how many times it touching in the top and how many times down. Calculating with me. 1, 2, here, 3. And now you are at the 4th one, guys. Yes or no? Down how many? 1, 2, here the 3rd one. Yes or no? In the top 4, down 3. Now, either that market to come back down here to touch the 4th one down, then to come up to break the 5th one. The 5th one, you need to make a close eye at it. Where is going to be? Up here or down here, guys? If it doesn't come the 5th one, don't enter, guys. Everything is too clear? And what did I told you else here in the 4 hours, guys? I told you got here a wage like that. Look at it. And like that. Yes or no? That's what me I told you, guys. I told you if it came, I'm breaking for you here. Enter long, guys. Yes or no? Those things, it's still in our channel, guys, by the way. And what I got me in my chart, what I got me, guys, here in the chart, I got that channel here. It touched the top of it here. He came down, he touched the down of it. Now he came, he couldn't come to the down of it. Now either that level where we are now, us, that one with yellow here, is it at 19,462 to still holding until now it's still holding the 4th time, guys, to come down and to break for us. The down level here was still holding. As you see it, how many times it's being touched? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we don't know. As I told you, after the 4th time, we're going to see where it's going to break up or down. That way, us, we put in for you everyday videos, guys. We update you every day, guys. So if you want to be updated every day, 2 videos every day, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying here. Look at it. What did I told you? I told you he came to that wall here. Every time he came to it, then he reject. Yes or no? And what you got here? Look with me very close here at that one. What you seeing, guys? A trend line. Every time he touch it, he go up. He came down, he touch it here, then he went up, guys. Yes or no? And now here in the top, what you got? Here now, what you got? What the market give you there? Like a small triangle, guys. So you need to make close eye if it's going to come down and to break for you down, or it's going to go higher, guys. Everything is very simple, guys. Until now, who's still controlling, guys, here? The bears, guys. And here, who controlling, guys? The bulls. Now where we are, us? The bears and the bulls, they are equal, guys. No one of them is winning till now. If that one came down, that meant the bears, they win. If that one came up, the bulls of the Bitcoin, they win, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. Did you smash the like button? Please go ahead and smash it now. Go ahead and smash the like button. Helping us, guys. Helping us. So let's go in now to see our other indicator, what it's saying for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Our other indicator, guys, what it's saying here. What did I told you? You are at the oversold area, guys. Second thing, what is it? Level. You are in a very stronger level, guys. What is the most important thing of all those things? Level, oversold. What is the most important, guys? Is the price action. Where is the price action, guys? Is here. Yes, it came. It give you a triple bottom there, but it need to break either high to break for us here or to break the top of the triple bottom, guys. You enter long. Remember my word. If it's break up, enter long, guys. Remember that one? Very, very close, guys. That level here, if it's break it for you like that, enter long, because that one is a triple bottom, guys. As you see, it is very, very clear. You can even draw here a head and shoulder, guys, like that. Everything is too clear, guys. Let's go now to 30 minutes to see what the market doing right now in 30 minutes, guys. For the picture to be more clear to you, guys. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. And what did I told you before? Look at that 200 moving average, what it doing, guys. Here. What it's showing to you? It's showing to you it came from a downtrend, then it's going like that, then it's resting. Yes or no? Look at it here. Look at that zone here. The 200 moving average, it's resting, guys. But that means there is no volume in the market, guys. Or no volatility or no buyers. Those ones just market makers, guys. Yes, today the market is end or the end of the week. Saturday and Sunday, I tell it to you, there is no volume. Some of you to it is going to stay here ranging, guys. There is no buying, no selling. Everything is too clear, guys. And look here, that level me I told you here. In the 4 hours how it's looking, guys. You see it or no? Look at it. Very clear here in the 4 hours, guys. 1, 2, 3. And here the fourth one. Down how many? Calculating with me. 1, 2, 3, guys. Now what the view? I think it's going to go back here. Then after that it's going to drop, guys, till here. Saturday and Sunday there is nothing confirmed, guys. Even if it came up, there is nothing will be confirmed yet. Everything is too clear, guys? Yes, it tried to give you here a triple bottom, as you see it, but it's not yet, guys. Still early for it. Everything is too clear, guys. Let me show you my chart, what I got. Look at it. You see that level here with yellow, how it's reacting, guys. You see it or no? It's still very stronger level. Even the one down, it's still very stronger level, guys. Was that one from it the last time it went up till 24k. Let's see our indicator, guys, for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, guys, what it's saying? You are close to the overbought area. What did I told you in the previous video, guys, about the scalpers? They follow me. I told you drawing here a channel like that. If it's break for you high, you enter long. Although you enter from here till here, and now you still in it because it's not yet came to the overbought area, guys. That's the power of our analysis, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. See you tomorrow. Bye for now, guys.